My AI agent just built something for me and I wanted to share it. As you know, I'm job runner. I'm a one-man marketing team. So I had to find ways to manage my LinkedIn ads easier. And the first thing I did is I connected the API and then I let it generate some stuff. But then I thought, okay, it's not ideal to have to communicate here in the chat interface. So what if I ask my AI agent, Patrick, to build me this LinkedIn ads review system? And what I always do is if I set up new campaigns, I wanted to have a look at the existing ones that we can reuse and then also generate some new ones. So here you can see it built this entire thing. It's also running on my OpenClaw server. And you can see the ones it wants to reuse. And then from here on, it shows the image variants. It shows a preview. I can approve it. And then it goes immediately live in the campaign that it also set up entirely itself. And then it also has some new ads that are here are pending. So first step, it wrote the copy for me. I could modify the copy. Or if I didn't want to go into the text here, I can just like request changes, add the comment here, and then it will take those changes, take those comments, and it will generate new text for me. Next step was, of course, to add image generation. And then it also generated these prompts for me based on some other, like some example ads that I shown him. So it now generates these prompts. And the moment that I approve it, it generates the image for me as well. If I want to tweak something, I can just like download the image, change something in Photoshop, upload it again, and then it will use that image. If I'm not happy with it yet, so like here you can see some of the more pending ones, like this one, it still has the two options for the image. I can have a look at it if I like the prompt. And if I like the prompt, I can here click approve and generate, and then it will generate it for me. If in between the time where I approved it and it didn't generate yet and I want to change something, I can just like remove some stuff here, save edit, and that's it. For now, what I did is that if I'm done with doing all my edits, approving all my stuff, I will just talk to my agent, Patrick here. There are some more images to generate. Let's go. And then it will kick off the image generation process, and I will be able to see the new visuals. So now when I approve all of this, bam, 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 it will set up the ads entirely for me. And then the super cool thing is that, yeah, I don't even have to touch this anymore. It just pushes it in here. Last week, I asked it to have a look at one of my campaigns and then have a look at what goes well, what doesn't go well, and ask if he can write a new version of the ads that might perform better. And I can show you how it actually did. So the campaign that it tweaked was the Job Runner for AI campaign. And there I said, like, okay, have a look at my best performing ad and then create a new variant out of that. And if we have a look, you see here the 2, 4, 5, 1. This is the ones that I set up. And then if we have a look at our click-through rate, the one with the highest click-through rate, 2.65%, is actually an AI-generated one because it saw that this was my best performing one. It analyzed it, it tweaked it, and it pushed a new version live. So super cool. It also set up entire campaigns for me. Like if we have a look here at my the finance campaign or the insurance campaign, it set up the top of the funnel layer. It set up the retargeting layer. It created all the ads. It set up the targeting in there, and I can ask now Patrick just in chats if he has some feedback. So now I guess he's done. Great. So let's have a look at the generations. It was this one, if I remember correctly, and here you go. So this was the prompt that we approved. It generated it, and here we go. Super cool way to do this. Super nice. It saves me a lot of time. Just built with my OpenClaw. I thought it was just too cool to not share here on LinkedIn. If you want to have if you want to have a bit more info on how I build it, just reach out. I'm always happy to share ideas. Have fun. Ciao.